DJI Neo 2 may finally have a serious competitor. A mysterious new foldable drone from Insta360 has appeared through a newly discovered patent and prototype leaks, revealing that the company could be preparing a compact drone designed to directly compete with DJI's popular Neo series. While Insta360 is already known for its powerful 360 cameras, this new move shows that the company may be ready to enter the beginner-friendly drone market with a completely new product. The biggest surprise is that this drone does not look like a simple 360 camera flying platform. Instead, everything points toward a compact, portable, and practical drone that could become a true DJI Neo 2 killer. The newly surfaced prototype images show a small black drone featuring Insta360 branding, foldable arms, protected ring-style propellers, and a compact design built for everyday creators. The design philosophy appears very similar to what made DJI Neo successful: portability, simplicity, and easy aerial shooting. However, Insta360 could bring its biggest advantage: advanced 360-degree camera technology. According to the recently discovered Insta360 patent CN223865117U, this is not just a random concept. The patent describes a unique folding mechanism where multiple structural parts move together through a shaft system, allowing the drone to become significantly smaller when folded. The design includes special clearance spaces that allow components to fit inside each other, reducing the overall size while protecting the arms and propellers during transportation. This means Insta360 is not only focusing on making a drone that flies, it is creating a drone designed for real-world use. A compact drone that creators can easily carry anywhere, quickly unfold, and capture cinematic footage without worrying about damaging the propellers. Compared with the DJI Neo series, this upcoming Insta360 drone could take a different approach. DJI Neo focuses on beginner-friendly controls, lightweight design, and simple 4K aerial videos. Insta360's advantage could be its camera technology, especially 360-degree capture and AI-powered reframing. Imagine flying the drone once and deciding the camera angle later during editing. Instead of manually controlling every shot, creators could capture the entire environment and choose the perfect perspective afterward. This could make the drone extremely attractive for vloggers, travelers, outdoor creators, and social media users. The leaked prototype is also believed to have been spotted during testing alongside the anti-gravity A1, Insta360's upcoming 360 drone project. This suggests Insta360 may be building a complete drone lineup, with the anti-gravity A1 targeting premium users and this smaller model competing directly in the affordable, compact drone market. Based on current leaks, the drone could weigh somewhere between 150 and 250 grams, putting it close to DJI Neo's ultra-light category. Expected features could include Insta360's flow state stabilization, intelligent tracking, palm takeoff controls, AI shooting modes, and advanced 360 stitching technology. The launch timeline is still unclear, but reports suggest this compact Insta360 drone could arrive between late 2026 and early 2027. This timing would allow Insta360 to position it as a more affordable alternative to the anti-gravity A1 while targeting the fast-growing beginner drone market. DJI has dominated the small consumer drone segment for years, but Insta360 entering this space could completely change the competition. With powerful camera technology, a unique folding design, and a creator-focused approach, this mysterious drone could become one of the most exciting DJI Neo 2 competitors to watch. The question now is simple: will Insta360 be able to defeat DJI in the compact drone market? If these leaks are accurate, DJI Neo 2 may finally have a real challenger. But there are still plenty of unanswered questions. Will Insta360 focus on a traditional wide-angle camera, or will it take the bold route by integrating a full 360-degree imaging system into such a compact drone? If it manages to combine lightweight portability with immersive 360 capture, it could offer something that no other drone in this class currently provides. That alone could attract creators who want maximum flexibility without carrying larger, more expensive equipment. Another area that will determine its success is software. Insta360 has built a strong reputation for AI powered editing, automatic subject tracking, and easy social media exports. Bringing those features to a compact drone could create an experience that's much simpler than traditional drone workflows. Imagine launching the drone with a single tap, letting AI follow you through a hiking trail, and automatically generating cinematic clips ready for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok within minutes. Of course, DJI won't simply sit back and watch. The company has years of experience in flight control, obstacle sensing, battery optimization, and intelligent flight modes. If Insta360 truly enters this market, DJI could respond with even more advanced features or aggressive pricing for the Neo lineup. That would be great news for consumers because stronger competition almost always leads to better products and more value. Personally, I think this could become one of the most interesting drone battles we've seen in years. DJI has long been the king of beginner-friendly drones, but Insta360 has repeatedly shown that it isn't afraid to challenge established brands with innovative ideas. If the leaked patent and prototype reflect the final product, this won't just be another drone launch. It could reshape the compact creator drone market. Now I want to hear your thoughts. Would you choose the trusted reliability of the DJI Neo 2, or would you take a chance on Insta360's brand new foldable drone? And if you could add one feature to this upcoming drone, what would it be? Let me know your opinion in the comments below, because this competition is only getting started.